Hey everyone, welcome back to podcast. I'm Sushant, your host and host. Today, we are going to talk about something I know. $3,500. The most expat friendly banks are, I believe, in BCP, Nova Bank. Make sure you have your passport, NIF, proof of address, and proof of income. Step 5, budgeting and extra cost. Now let's talk money. Hmm, because this is where expats get surprised. You need to budget an extra 7 to 10% on top of the property price for taxes and fees. For example, say you buy a 250,000 apartment in Lisbon, IMT or property transfer tax is about 8,600 approximately. Stamp duty is around 1,750. Notary and registration around 1,500. Lawyer fees about 1,500 approximately. That's rough 13,500 extra. So your total spend is closer to 2,63,000. Always round up a bit more. You don't want to surprises. Step 6. Finding property. Where do you actually find properties? There are online portals like idlista.pt, eMoVirtual, Era, Remax, so many are popular. Local area estate agents are very helpful too, especially because some properties never get listed online. And don't forget, due diligence. Always check the property registration, any outstanding debts, and necessary permits. I have seen cases where buyers discovered an unregistered extensions. Huge headache and cost. So double check everything. Step 7. Promissory contract. Once you have found the property, you will sign a contract de promesa de compra e venda or a promissory contract. Usually, you pay 10, then you can move in or start renting it out. Don't forget to set up utilities, electricity, water, internet, and IMI. The annual property tax, which range from 0.3% to 0.8% of the property value. Step 9. Residency. Buying a property doesn't automatically give you residency, but it can help. Expats usually apply for D7 visa or retirees or passive income, digital nomad visa for remote workers. Owning property strengthens your application, showing ties to Portugal. Step 10. Extra tips. A few extra tips for expats. Always use a Portuguese lawyer. Don't rush. Visit the property multiple times. Check rental potential if you plan to rent it out. Think about long-term resale value and maybe wait a week before buying. Don't fall in love at first sight.